Hey, Maddie. We got a fair bit of information here, but basically what you have to do, take all this information and just make a matrix out of it. But remember, the idea here is that we got to put all of our x's in one column, all of our y's, all of our z's, and then our solutions, basically. So set it up like that. Okay? So for this one here, I'll do the first one for you, just to say. We'll do a little bit of algebra here. I want my x's, that's fine. Minus y, because I'm going to bring that over. X minus y, like so. And then we can throw that over on the other side, right? So I'll do a equal sign here. Equal sign here. 8 plus 13 gives us 21. So that's going to be my first equation. I just rearranged that into this. Do the same for these guys right here. Get your x's, your y's, your z's if they are, because there's a few z's here. There's no z here, so that's fine. Then after that, put it into the matrix. So our top line in our matrix is going to be 1, -1, space, augment line, 21. And then go through and solve that matrix. Again, you can do that by hand if you're crazy, or just use some sort of a matrix solver. So a lot of information, a little diagram too, that's fine. But basically, take this system, rearrange it, put it into a matrix, and then you can solve it up. Okay, and just make sure, because again, we're going to have this situation. We have 1, 2, 3 variables. Oh, we have 3 equations too, so you don't have to use this solution box, right? You're going to have an answer probably, unless something crazy comes out. So give that a shot. Let me know how you make out.